for you since I've been gone.
My name is Philip. I'm from Hatfield Sound and Security, and this is a 2005 Dodge RAM SRT10. Dodge Ram came into us, very special client of ours, wanted the vehicle to be customized and made unique. As it is, these were produced in limited edition. It was manufactured with the 8.3 litre Viper V10 motor, produced 505 brake horsepower off the bat and about 525 foot-pound of torque. It was synonymous with being an absolute monster. So there are few of them in the country. This one was quite a fine example of it, but a lot of work's been done on it. We've tucked in the bumpers, we've changed the front and the nose of the vehicle to something quite unique. We've changed the color. They only came in specific colors. This one was initially silver. We mixed a very special kind of gunmetal to the vehicle that you'll see. We've done some neat airbrushing on the vehicle. The rear of the bumper has been completely squared off, and the rear of the fenders have been tucked in. As far as the rest of the build is concerned, we've been through this vehicle from bumper to bumper. The suspension's been redone, the prop shafts have been taken care of, the exhausts have been manufactured, headers for it complete. They have had ceramic coating internally and externally as well, obviously to help with the dissipation of heat. On the audio side, Rockford Fosgate up front. We've gone with a marine unit to give us the best source possible. The front stage is kitted out with Rockford Fosgate's power T3 splits up front. It's got a pair of power coaxials in the rear. It's running two slimline power 10-inch woofers in vented enclosures, two monoblock amps to drive those, and a single 4-channel. And the front and rear stage are driven by two T400X2 2-channel amplifiers. It also features a DSR, Rockford Fosgate DSR processor, and an audio control epicenter that brings in any bass that those MP3 tracks unfortunately do not have.
For you since I've been